So once you get to the actual oil pressure sensor, it's behind the oil filter. And it's right there, and then you just gotta undo this plug. There's a clip at the top you push down so you can see it's kind of at an angle. On the top, you want to push down and slide that. You should have room to get your hands in there. And then it's simple enough as using that special socket. You can, if you might be able to just get a pliers on there, but I mean, I would use the actual socket that gets over the sensor. But yeah, so you do have to take out, I have the power steering pump out right now. That would normally be blocking that, so that's where it's located. But yeah, you have to take out the power steering pump. Mine pump, some of them might have the electrical, and there's your steering box. I got a glove up in the hole right now. I was cleaning up a bunch of oil, so there's your oil pressure sensor location. It's pretty changed except for taking out the pump, which is a pain. That itself's easy, but taking the pump out is a pain. So doing that, changing that now while I have the pump out, because I'm changing the pump.